What's up, everyone? Arif here, and that's right, it is round 2 for giving Spreadshirt a try. As you recall from my last video, I ordered 2 shirts from Spreadshirt because I'm doing a merch line and trying to find, quality shirts, but a cheaper vendor. And they were the cheapest one on the current, pricing list, I guess. So I gave them a shot. I wasn't super thrilled with the quality of the 50/50 or the 100% cotton shirt. Now, after I did wear them, they did get comfortable like most shirts do, but it wasn't like, it wasn't like wearing, it wasn't just, I don't know, it just wasn't soft. I'll say that. It felt like I was wearing, a very old school t-shirt. But in fairness, I thought I would give them one more shot and order a Triblend shirt. So a Triblend is polyester, cotton, and something called Raygon, some other thing, but it's what makes it super, super soft. And I chose the cheaper shipping option because the last time I chose the medium one and it got here wicked fast. It was supposed to get here within like a week and some change the last time. It got here in 4 days. This one I ordered on August 30th and it just arrived today on September 16th. Now, admittedly, they said the earliest delivery date would be September 17th, but when you come in way early ahead of time and then you just barely make the first end of the deadline, I don't know. I wasn't super thrilled about that either. And you didn't get a tracking number. It was a whole thing. It wasn't great, but let's check the quality of this shirt. This is better. This is much, yeah, this is better. This is absolutely where you want to be right here. So here's the shirt I got. So Rex L. And I can tell you right now, this is wicked soft. This is super, super soft. The print quality is still extremely touch and go. Like, I'm not sure if this is actually going to come through on cam here. But I'm going to put this up to the camera and see if you can see it, because nope, you cannot. But oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, you see all that gray right here? That's all like, I don't know if that's dust or if that's like just a really bad print job, but it's not the greatest, but the shirt quality is much, much better. Now, admittedly, I did pay a lot more for this shirt. Like this one shirt, now mind you, you do get a bulk discount on orders, but this one shirt cost me nearly $40. So that's what my cost was. And, that's with them taking their profit cut. But yeah, so this isn't too bad though. It does feel soft. I'm happy about that. I don't really know what else to say. For an extra large shirt, man, this thing is massive. For an extra large shirt, this thing is like a blanket. Hello? Like, look at that. This thing is like a blanket, bro. But there you guys go. So, I don't know. I think I am going to go with Spreadshirt, even though I haven't given a lot of vendors like a first shot. And that's not for lack of trying. I haven't given a lot of vendors a first shot because a lot of them have minimum order requirements. You can't just get like a single order as a sample. And that's what makes it hard to kind of pick other people. So there's things like Streamlabs, which you can get. There's Spreadshirt. There's maybe some local people, city to city. But the major people, so Custom Ink, for example, they have like a 48 shirt minimum requirement. And without being able to get like a single sample, there's just no shot that I'm going to put that much money down. Just none. But yeah, here we go. So this isn't bad. This is definitely the shirt quality I'm going to go with, which is the Triblend shirt, 100%. And yeah, here we go. 50% polyester, 25% cotton, and 25% rayon. That's what it's called, rayon. But yes, so this is perfect. I'm going to go with this. So you can look forward to seeing Rex L available very, very soon. Make sure you pick it up. I'm going to try and market as cheap as I can because for me, it's not about the profit. For me, it's more about people just wearing my stuff. I would rather see more of these little dinosaurs at like almost no profit margin than seeing a few at a profit margin. Because look how cute he is. Oh my God, he's adorable. Okay, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name has been Arif, and this has been Spreadshirt Round 2. You win this round, Spreadshirt. You win this round. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.